After a brief market crisis this week, Shiba Inu is on the mend, and things may soon improve beyond our wildest dreams. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or own SHIB tokens. So what's the most recent news about Shiba Inu coins and how will it impact their value? In today's video, I'll be providing answers to these issues and sharing all the knowledge you need to improve your price. Regarding Shiba Inu just surfaced. Please watch the entire video from beginning to end so that you do not miss any of the material that I have gathered. Also, before we get any farther, this channel is giving away 1 million Shiba tokens every single day. Subscribing to the channel, like the video, and commenting with the hashtag Shiba Inu are all that's needed to enter. Wishing you the best of luck. However, before we get into our subject, how about we examine the chart to see how the Shiba price is doing on December 14th. The current price of a Shiba Inu is approximately 2,756 units. With $975 million changing hands in 24 hours, SHIB's price is 2% lower than it was a day ago. At the moment, the token is the 14th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $16.2 billion. Until you see the video, these rates can be different. This is not a financial advising video. The video for today is ready. 10 trillion SHIB in no time at all. So here is what transpired. Data from the past 24 hours shows that whale activity was the main driver of almost 10 trillion Shiba in new token transactions. Although the sum seems large, it is really lower than the transaction volumes that SHIB experienced at its most prosperous periods. Because of this, we have to wonder how the asset market is doing right now and whether it will recover or increase. Comparing current volumes to historical peaks. Transaction volumes for Shiba Inu surpassed 18 trillion tokens in prior bullish cycles, especially during periods of fast price gains. An active market and high levels of interest from large holders were common indicators of such increased activity. However, during bearish periods, transaction volumes typically dropped below 10 trillion tokens, indicating a decrease in enthusiasm and market activity. Despite being above bearish boundaries, the asset's current volume of 10 trillion tokens is still below the levels that normally indicate a significant positive trend. This lackluster behavior suggests that the market is not seeing heavy buying interest, nor is it being aggressively sold. SHIB are seen as being very close to a critical support level in the chart data, and the fact that they have recently rebounded from the 50-day exponential moving average suggests that they are trying to recover. Nevertheless, the amount of market activity required to maintain a lengthy rise is not currently reflected in the transaction volumes. There appears to be little momentum in the asset's price motion compared to trading activity, which means it is now consolidating market sentiment and whale activity. High transaction volumes, according to Into the Block analytics, are frequently an indicator of increased activity from key stakeholders and a precursor to significant market changes. But there aren't any obvious patterns of accumulation or distribution in the current volume, which usually heralds big price changes. There appears to be a critical crossroads for the token based on this moderate activity. The momentum needed for a bullish breakout would have to be generated by a significant rise in transaction volumes, especially from whales. The token will stay in its consolidation phase until a catalyst like this comes along. The importance of the trade of 10 trillion SHIB tokens in a single day is insufficient to indicate a significant change in the market. A lack of robust positive enthusiasm is reflected in the transaction volumes, which are still significantly lower than historical high. We need a resurgence of interest and substantially increased trade volumes if SHIB is going to get back on track. Market players may have to be patient until the asset finds a clearer trigger to propel its next big rise. Please, if you are still here, hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything and does wonders for the channel's financial stability. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inu and where the currency could go from here, you'll have to see the show. A dramatic change in the burn rate of Shiba Inu might cause a price spike. Shiba Inu with a dog motif have displayed some intriguing numbers during the last day and week. The burn rate of Shiba Inu can cause a price increase, according to Shiba Inu, an online transaction tracker that keeps tabs on the number of SHIBs delivered to dead wallets. What does burn rate activity mean? According to an article on X, Shiba Inu tracks the average coin's price and burn activity on an hourly and weekly basis. The community's contribution to the deflationary mechanism is shown in the overall supply of SHIB, which stands at $589 trillion, and the low price. Dead wallets received 2.24 million SHIB, or 81% of the total, in the last 24 hours, according to the daily burn rate. On a weekly basis, though, it seems like the burn rate is lower at 96%, with 87.8 million SHIB burned. It appears that efforts were made to stabilize supply and pricing performance during the week by engaging in lower burn activities. As investors and traders observe the community's attempts to participate in burn activity, this, according to market analysts, could signal that public sentiment may be ignited. Significantly, the weekly fall in burn rate indicates that the deflationary mechanism is effective, leading to the decline. If investors are confident in the meme currency and its potential for price appreciation, the overall outlook can be a good sign. If maintained, this action might cause SHIB's price to skyrocket. The meat of today's video is about to begin. On December 15th, 2024, the price of SHIB will be determined by AI. Another bullish outbreak is benefiting Shiba Inu. On the 1-day and 14-day charts, the asset has risen 8.7 and 14.8 respectively. The asset's value has increased by 204.7% from the end of 2023. The price of SHIB has fallen 0.5% in the past month and 6.5% in the weekly charts, even if the price has been rallying. The memecoin rally, what's behind it? The most recent surge in the Shiba Inu price occurred when Bitcoin price recovered beyond $100,000. Another market-wide rise has been set off by Bitcoin's most recent recovery. One possible explanation for SHIB's surge in popularity is the approaching inauguration of U.S. President-elect Donald Trump. Thanks to Trump's pro-crypto position, many believe the market will experience an extended bull run while he is in office. A new head of the SEC and a crypto czar for the White House have already been appointed by Trump. The combination of the two trends has the potential to send SHIB and other assets soaring to new heights in the coming months. Price of Shiba in December 15th, 2024 news article. In the coming days, SHIB will reportedly see a significant upswing, as reported by CoinCodex. On December 15th, 2024, the platform expects the asset to trade for 6,088 units. From where we are now, a rally of around 107.5% would be required to reach 6,088 units. According to CoinCodex, the price of SHIB is unlikely to remain over 6,000 units. By December 26, 2024, the platform expects prices to have corrected to levels similar to where they are now. Although they take a more cautious approach, Changelly still thinks SHIB will rise in the coming days. There will be 3,250 units of SHIB traded on December 15, 2024, according to the platform. From where we are now, a rally of around 10.77% is required to reach 3,250 units. Changelly shares CoinCodex's prediction that SHIB would experience a correction at the month's end. On December 31, 2024, the platform projects that SHIB will trade at 2,690 units. However, you shouldn't limit your current investigation to SHIB alone. What may the next Shiba Inu coin be? I recently made a movie on it. To learn more, watch the video that is currently displayed. Much obliged for your time.